Start with meaning of depreciation. During the production process, some amount of capital stock is consumed. This consumption of fixed capital in production process is known by depreciation. The other name of depreciation is consumption of fixed capital. So in the simple language, if I have to explain depreciation, the meaning of depreciation is loss or fall to the value of fixed assets due to normal wear, tear and expected obsolescence. Calculation of depreciation. Depreciation is equal to gross investment minus net investment. It means that when net investment is subtracted from gross investment, depreciation is achieved. So, in the gross investment, depreciation is included, but at the time of net investment, depreciation is not included. Causes of depreciation. There are two reasons of depreciation. First one, normal wear and tear, and second one is expected obsolescence. So start with normal wear and tear. Normal wear and tear is loss in the value of fixed asset due to the normal wear and tear. It means that during the production process, the productive capacity of the fixed assets like machinery, tools, engines goes on declining because of the continuous use, and this decline into the value of fixed assets is the reason of depreciation. So now I can explain it to you with the help of an example. Take the example of the car. If you go to sell into the market the same car, you do not get the same value. Why? The reason is of the wear and tear into the fixed asset value. Meaning of expected obsolescence. It refers to loss in the value of the fixed asset, first of all, due to the continuous change in technology and technique of production. The continuous change in technology and technique of production can be explained with the help of an example like fall in the value of typewriter is due to the introduction of computers. The second one is expected change in demand of goods and services due to change in taste, preferences, fashion and lifestyle. Third one is expected change in government policy, for example, goods and services tax. Depreciation reserve fund or provisions for depreciation. Due to depreciation of fixed assets, there is need to replace the particular fixed assets after some time. Replacement of the fixed assets needs to have provision of fund to enable the producer to buy the new asset after the expiry lifetime of the asset. For example, if a machine is purchased for rupees 1 lakh and the expected life of the machine is 5 years, then the depreciation reserve fund can be calculated by dividing the machine purchased and with the expected life, you can have the depreciation reserve fund. For example, if the machine is purchased for 1 lakh rupees and its expected life is for 5 years, so by dividing 1 lakh with 5, you have 20,000 rupees, and this 20,000 rupees are depreciation reserve fund. Capital loss. Capital loss is a loss in the value of the fixed assets due to natural calamities like floods, earthquakes, unforeseen factors like war, theft. They are unexpected. Against insurance can be claimed. Provision of capital loss. It can be attained by getting things assured against unexpected obsolescence, provides provision for capital loss. So means that provision for capital loss can be with the help of the insurance. Now the insurance is here. The reason is that they are unforeseen. Therefore, insurance can be claimed and through which the provision of capital loss can be attained. Now, start with the depreciation versus capital loss. It means that now we are going to study differentiation between depreciation and capital loss. Some try to have the same meaning of depreciation and capital loss, but depreciation is different from capital loss due to various reasons. So, what are the reasons? The first difference is on the basis of the meaning. So, depreciation means a loss of value of fixed asset due to wear, tear and expected obsolescence. While on the other side, capital loss is the loss of fixed asset due to natural calamities and unexpected obsolescence, like you can say the unforeseen factors, war, theft. The second difference between depreciation and capital loss is on the basis of the nature of loss. Depreciation is expected loss on value of asset, while capital loss is unexpected loss in asset value. The next difference in between the depreciation and capital loss is on the basis of the provision. In the case of depreciation, provision for depreciation is depreciation reserve fund, and in capital loss, provision of capital loss is attained by getting insurance done.